This screen shows you the 4 layouts and I guess 4 tables that are the ones that we're dealing with. The one down the bottom is the total asset management database layout. It's the main database that I need developing on. It's the one that I need to be improved, to make better, and to really work better than it does. The other 3 are simply a part of the feature that I want, and I've explained in the brief, which is about turning one of these task card activities or jobs into an actual job activity booking, such as the job activity on the left, and it will have a space booked in the calendar. So I need some feature in that so that I can have a means by which I can just turn that into, again, a job activity that has a location booking. Now the office table really is probably least critical, but it could potentially have the supplier contact details, who is going to carry out the work. So again, there's these 3 relationships with this main TAMS database. Our database is used mainly as a activity booking system. We have a number of locations and accommodation facilities here at Bundanon Trust. We need to book artists, education groups in over time. The maintenance of the facility is, of course, central to supporting the business operation. I'll show you how we actually book activity in and how all that works, so that you can see part of what it does. We go to calendar straight away. Calendar is fairly sort of standard calendar view. We've got all our accommodation locations, and we have time going across the top. I can go and select a day in the calendar that I might want to book something in. Find an available date. I'll go into 17. Go into a space, say the veranda accommodation, click once, and the new appointment screen comes up. Now I call this activity, I give it a name. I just skip description for the moment. Now type is to do with our business units. Commercial to be confirmed is one of the statuses. Contact is important because this draws down contacts from our office file. I will now go in and draw down a contact, customer contact, from the office file. That was me. See, there's a customer number. Now I can select the dates for this booking. In this case I might just put it across 2 days, and indeed I can say the customer's in at 9 and they're leaving at 15. This over here is really about our visitor statistics. We just put in some people, and there is that first step. I then create a job activity. This takes me out of the Seed Code Calendar Pro table and into the job file table. So I create a job activity, and the job activity layout appears. I quickly just a little bit of housekeeping by giving it a bit of status. There you can see my veranda accommodation booking. The bottom section of this is more about when we need to add resources and staff. For example, I can go in and book a whole heap of some equipment into the space, and that allows the facilities team to deliver those products. Similarly, so I can add staff to the activity, and that can add staff. So basically what I need is I need the TAMS system to have connectivity to these 2 key parts of the database. I need it to be able to create a job activity, which in turn creates a booking in the calendar.